When it comes to online international payments, everyone is struggling. The major problem is that nobody knows the best bank to open for international payments. In this video, I took out my time to explain this bank. If you're having such problem, keep on watching and you will definitely learn something. Hello Sprinkles, my name is Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on personal improvement, how-to videos just like this one and vlogs. If it's your first time of coming across my channel and seeing my face, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, oh my god, thank you so much for returning and watching my video. I really appreciate every single one of you. I will always ask you to subscribe because I post value-packed educating videos on this channel. If you're doubting me, please go through my other videos and you will definitely learn something. In today's video, I will be talking about the best bank for international online payments and their requirements in Nigeria. Okay, so keep on watching to learn. In no particular order, I'll be talking about these banks and their requirements. So let's go into the main video. So guys, the first bank I'll be talking about is GT Bank Dollar Card. Yes, personally I use GT Bank Dollar Card and I have a video of where I talk about how to open this bank. The process is very simple and all you have to do is to walk to any GT Bank branch around you or close to you. Then you tell them that you want to open a domiciliary account. Okay, when you tell them you want to open a domiciliary account, they will give you a form to fill. Even if you don't have an account with GT Bank, you can also open a domiciliary account with them. So this card is limitless. You can use it on any website, you can use it to shop, you can use it to pay on any website, and you can use it to do any online international transaction. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the requirements you need to open a GT Bank domiciliary account and get the dollar card. So guys, the requirement to open a GT Bank domiciliary account and get their dollar card is, the first thing you have to submit is the completed domiciliary account form. That form will be given to you to fill. You have to fill it with your information, your details. When you get there, they give you this form and you can take it home if you don't have the other requirements and bring it back when you are ready. Okay, so the next requirement is 2 reference persons. You don't need to bring the person, but they will give you 2 forms for your references. The criteria your reference person have to meet is they will have a domiciliary account with any bank in Nigeria, because if they don't have a domiciliary account, there's no way they can stand in for somebody and there's no way they will have a dollar card. Okay, so they will have a domiciliary account with any bank, and also, or they can have a current account with GT. These are the only options that is opened for your reference, because this is where most people have issues. They will go and be bringing reference that don't have domiciliary account or current account, and to open your domiciliary account will be taking longer than usual. I used to receive message like this that I submitted my references and they have not still opened my account. So now always ask is what kind of account your reference is using. That is where the issue always boils down to, because when it comes to GT Bank, you can open domiciliary account under 24 hours. I'm telling you, under 24 hours is very, very simple and easy if you can meet up with that requirement. Note, if you have a current account with GT Bank, you don't need to bring any reference. The third one is 1 passport photograph. The fourth one is 1 recent utility bill. It might be your light bill, your water bill, just bill. They just need to see your address that you live in that place. The 5th requirement you need to take along with you is a copy of your driver's license or your NIN, that is your national identity number, or if you don't have it, you need your passport. Like your passport, you have your passport, it will be better because it will make the process very very faster. But when I opened mine, I used my NIN. The sixth requirement is an insurance fee of 1,000 naira, or you take the equivalent in dollar. Okay, these are all you need to open a domiciliary account with GT Bank and get that dollar card. When you submit all these requirements, within 24 hours your domiciliary account will be open. They'll give you a call or send you a text message to come and collect your dollar card. Okay, so guys, the next bank I'll be talking about is the Providence Bank dollar card. Okay, so all you have to do is very very simple. Just walk into any Providence Bank branch around you and you tell them that you want to open a domiciliary account with them. They will give you a form, of course, to fill. One thing I like about Providence Bank is that their Naira debit card, you can use it to shop online. You can use it to pay for Facebook ad if you run Facebook ad. You can use it to pay, and you can use it to do some other shoppings online that required Naira. You can use it to pay online. Yes, that's one thing I like about Providence Bank, and that's why I am adding it to this list. The requirement to open a domiciliary account with Providence Bank and get the dollar card is, the first one you need is a recent utility bill. The second one you need is your passport photograph. That is the second one, your passport photograph. The third one is any identification card. Any identification card will work for these people. The fourth one is you need 100 USD dollars, like the money in physical form. But when I spoke to their representative, she said that it's until you open this account before you need to make the payment. One thing I like about GT Bank domiciliary account is that you can open their account with zero balance, $0 balance. You don't need to bring any USD to open with GT Bank. But with Providence, you need $100 physical, but it's until they open the account with you. So your money should be ready before then. Before this time, you can open this account the same way you open GTB. Like, they don't ask you to bring any 100 USD. They open a zero balance dollar account. That was before, but now they will ask you to bring $100 after you have the account, after you've opened your domiciliary account. The fifth requirement you need is the completed domiciliary account form. In this bank, you don't need reference. You don't need any reference. You just need this requirement, that 100 USD. You don't need any reference to open the account. Okay, so you have to make a choice. Next bank I'll be talking about is the UBA prepaid dollar card, and this account is very simple to open, just like the rest. All you have to do is to walk into any UBA branch and tell them that you want to open a prepaid dollar card. Why you have to say this is because they have other accounts and they have this dollar card. They have this dollar account in Naira. So you have to be specific on the one you want. If you just say you want to open a prepaid account, they just give you any form. You have to tell them that you want to open a prepaid dollar account. Hope you understand. So you have to be specific on the dollar account. All these banks I'm talking about are limitless when you open their domiciliary account and have their dollar card with you. You can pay for any subscription online and you can shop on any website online. Let's go to the requirements to open a UBA prepaid dollar card. The requirement to open a UBA prepaid dollar card requirement you take along with you to open the account. So the first one you need to take along with you is a recent utility bill, your BVN. You have to know your BVN. The third one is 2 passport photographs. The fourth one is any valid identification card that you own. The fifth one is card insurance fee. That is 1,015 naira you have to take 1,050 naira with you. Sixth requirement is the completed filled domiciliary account form that they gave to you. You filled it, okay? And this bank, you don't need a reference, you don't need any reference to open this account with them. You just need this requirement I mentioned to open the domiciliary account with them, okay, and get your dollar card. Guys, I don't think my list will be complete if I don't add online virtual cards. You know that there are so many online virtual cards that people now use to shop, and because of restriction in Nigeria, so many people have turned to that direction. But personally, I don't have any virtual card. Let me list some that I know of. I know Wave, and I know PayPal, and I know Pioneer. So in this video, we're talking about Pioneer account, but you can go and check out Wave, you can go and check out PayPal. When it comes to Pioneer account, all you have to do is to go to pioneer.com, or these companies, you can just go to their website and you will know what it's talking about. If you want to get a virtual account from Pioneer, you can just go to pioneer.com and you will see how to get that virtual card. But I know there is restriction on their card. Before you get their card, you have to meet some criteria. The criteria you need to meet up to get a Pioneer dollar card is you have to make or get $2,000 within 6 months of using Pioneer. That is one of the criteria you need to meet up. And also, you have to be having steady dollar income coming into that account for you to be eligible to get their dollar card. Then you have to have $50 in your account for you to apply and get that dollar card. This is the restriction I know that is on it. There's so many issues with banks in Nigeria and banks online, and the restriction here and there. To just be on a safer side, it's better you just walk into any commercial bank of your choice and just open a domiciliary account with them and get your dollar card and do what you need to do with it. And when you have payment in your account, you can just go to the bank and withdraw and change the dollar into your own currency. I'll also be filming a video where I talk about ways to fund your dollar card. And also, do you know that you can open an online domiciliary account that is trying to mimic this virtual online dollar card? Yes. If you want me to film a video talking about how to open an online domiciliary account, please leave it in the comment section. If I have 20 comments on film a video to open an online domiciliary account, I will definitely do that. But if I don't have 20 comments on that, I'm not going to film the video. Sprinkles, this is the end of the video, and I know it's value packed as always. Please don't forget to give this video a huge like. When you give this video a huge like, it helps the channel visibility and it tends to reach to other people and they watch and learn. And also, don't forget to share this video. Please share this video so it could get to so many people. Leave a comment about what you think about the banks and which one you have and which one you open and how it works for you. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can join this family. Please don't forget to click on that your bell notification so you'll be the first person to be notified when I post a new video. Please stay safe out there, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys.